Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. If you like delicious and healthy meal, this channel is for you. Yeah, easy and quick, delicious. I promise. Okay, we started. Don't worry, I write everything for you after. And what we need prawn and lettuce, green lettuce, 2 red onions, chopped tomatoes, rice is basmati, courgette, chilies, and coconut oil. This one is very delicious, yeah. Salt and pepper, but I not put pepper over there because will be hot and spicy. Yeah. This we need. I chop everything, will be easier show you how to do this. Okay, we can start. It's cooked rice. We need cook before. Melt the coconut oil in a wok or large frying pan over a medium to high heat. We need courgette first. And add the onion and mix together all the time. Mix. I think so. We stir fry about 3-4 minutes. And will be when it's starting to soften, we give in chilies. Okay, it will be chili now. And mix together. Spoon in the curry paste and fry for 30 seconds before putting in chopped tomato. I think so 30 seconds will be alright. and mix together. Okie dokie, time for tomato. We need bring to the boil. Mix together again. Okay, now time for the prawn and lentils. Mix together. I know this video is too long, but I need to learn first. I don't know how show you for the best side. Then give me time and I learn. Next time will be better. Okay? I think so will be better show you quicker. Not like that. Okay, time to lettuce. And the same mix together and still fry for maybe 1 or 2 minutes because we need cook the prawn. When will be soft pink, then will be cook. Okay, I think so is done. Salt and I think about pepper, but I not give. Just salt and bunch of coriander. Mix together again. And we can put the plate soon. Thank you guys for watching. I hope so you comment next time. Yeah, just leave the like it. Look, this one is really good, really healthy. See you next time. Bye.